G'day everyone, welcome to another developer update for the Gangs of Metacadia game that we are currently building. In this update I want to talk a little bit about the wallet system that we have in place, and we'll go through some general sort of updates in what has happened in the last week. So what we are using is the Coinbase Smart Wallet, which is one of the newer wallets that has been created that is utilizing a lot of the features that come with account abstraction. So things like sponsored transactions and so on are very easy to integrate into this wallet. It's a single click to create the wallet. It's incredibly easy, and we'll go through that in a moment. And it integrates perfectly into the app. It also allows you to do something called magic spend as well, where you can essentially use your assets that are on Coinbase, that are stored up in Coinbase, like as if they're sort of on a wallet, like, you know, locally, as if you sort of have access to them locally. It's able to sort of proxy use them, if you will. So there's a lot of incredible features with this wallet, and we're really excited to launch Gangs of Metacadia with this because we think it'll be a really nice feature to onboard our users. Let me show you a bit about how it works. Here we're in the game. We've got the chat working really nicely now. Everything's good. We've got like a really nice active WebSocket connection there between the client and the backend for that. Still doing quite a little bit of work on the design of the UI and some bits and pieces. But up the top here, you can see that there is a create wallet button. So if I just click this, it's going to basically pop up and say, I want to create a smart wallet. So this is me logging in for the first time. I don't have a wallet at the moment. If I do have a wallet, that's fine. Of course, it will pick that up. I'm just going to go ahead and say I want to create one. And I'm just going to use my Chrome profile here and just press continue. And I'll just touch my laptop here, which will basically use my fingerprint to sign that and set it up. Or I could use my password, of course. And the smart wallet is ready. That's it. So as simple as that, I've been onboarded. I can click Explore Wallet, which will just sort of show me the wallet so I can understand it, see how many tokens I have, see what's going on, look at the transactions and so on. But I don't really need to do that. So now that I'm in the app, I have a wallet address. Everything's set up and ready to go. It's that easy to sort of onboard into one of these applications now with the smart wallet. So now let's go ahead and let's join the Neon Syndicate here. So we can go over to the Neon Spy here and we can press join. You can see there's a current initiation cost of a certain amount of MK to join that. So I'm just going to hit approve to approve that spend. And then you can see the wallet sort of pops up here. You can see that the transactions are sponsored by Base. So I'm on the testnet right now, so this is a testnet sponsored transaction. Of course, although you can have essentially a gas tank, if you will, of mainnet gas that's sponsored for you as well through various bundlers or providers or even Coinbase themselves. So I'm just approving that transaction, and that's done. And then I can just simply press mint insignia to bring up the next transaction. Of course, standard approval transaction there. And just simply touch on with the fingerprint to mint my insignia to join the Neon Syndicate here. And that's it. I'm member number 2 of the syndicate, as you can see here. And the price goes up again to join the syndicate from this point. So we have sort of a curve on the price to entry to join. It probably won't be this aggressive with the curve as we sort of launch the game. We're just testing things out right now. So that's the whole minting process. I've sort of onboarded into this gang now, and you can see there's 2 syndicate members up here on the leaderboard now. Myself being the second one. You can see the wealth that they have as well here. So that's a bit of an overview of how the wallet interacts with the game, and just sort of an overview of how you can actually go ahead and sort of mint an insignia and join one of the gangs. And of course, now that unlocks the other buildings in which you can go and use your insignia to do certain things, such as influence other gangs, or start heists, or increase the security of your vault, all sorts of stuff that sort of unfold further as you become sort of more entrenched in the gang. So we'll talk about those more in the coming updates, but I just wanted to give a quick update on the wallet integration and how that works, and a bit of an overview of using it in the app. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much.